What's up, YouTube? I'm back here for another video. This one here, this is my personal bike. It's a 2018 Softail Deluxe. If you've seen my previous videos, you've seen what I have on the bike. For this one, we are gonna go ahead and install some cams. I got these wood performance cams. Those are the Night Prowler. That's the model number, just in case you guys are asking. We're gonna go ahead and install these. The push rods are on their way, so I'm gonna get started on them now. And then by the time the push rods are here, I'm sure I'm pretty much done with the bike. So with this one, we're gonna go ahead and take off the front exhaust. We're gonna just go ahead and take off the floorboard just to get more space, and the air box. And then the push rods come off. The cam cover is gonna come off. We got new gaskets for that as well. We're gonna do oil change on all three plugs and so on, just to make sure everything's good. And then I'm gonna retune it with the dyno jet. So I already have a dyno jet on it. It has the preset tune. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that it is properly tuned for the cams. So cool, I'm gonna go ahead and do a start. This is not a cold start because I've already ridden the bike. I ridden the bike to work today, so it's a little warm. Right now it's perfect for oil change. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do a quick start so you can get a sound of before and after. Cool, here we go. Cool. That gives you an idea of what it sounds like right now. We're gonna go ahead and start with this. We're gonna do the oil change first, so just give me some time. We're gonna do oil change, take off all the parts, kind of get her ready for the cam install. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a full video on this once I get this a little more opened up for work. Cool, let's go. We're almost there. Pretty simple to take that off. Once again, you just got to take the exhaust off. For this one, I just took off the pin at the bottom. You can see the pin right there. It has a little clip. You pushed it out. I didn't push it out all the way because I don't want to deal with that whole spring stuff. But fairly simple. Once you got the right tools, you could do it. You don't get the right tools, you're gonna stay here forever. So we're gonna go and take the air box off so I can get more access to the push rods. And then after that, we're gonna clip off the push rods, reinstall. We're gonna install the new cams, and I'll show you what the difference between the two cams look like. Cool. All right, the cams have come off. I made sure to check the O-ring on the fuel pump, on the oil pump. The way the cams look right here is this is the stock cams. These are the new cams. You can kind of tell that one of them is going to be slightly more open than the other. So you can see the time delay on this one is more round. Same thing on the back end. Actually, this is the best way to see it. So you can kind of tell from here. This is a little sharper. This is sharper than this one. So we're gonna go ahead and install the new one and update you as we go. All right, the cams are in. Everything's torqued down. We're gonna go ahead and put the cap back on with the new gasket, and then we're gonna install the push rods. So everything looks good right here. We're gonna go ahead and move on. All right, just like that, it's done. Cams are put back on, the exhaust is put back on, floorboards and so on. Let's hear it. Cool. I haven't heard any cams with fishtails, and this is the first, probably the first video you guys are gonna post, see up. So there you go. We got the Woods Performance cams on there. That's how it sounds. Hope you guys liked the video. I'll be posting more stuff as I go along. Cool. See you guys in the next one.